Hi, Sean O'Haron here with MarineMax Palm Beach. Today, I'm going to walk you through this amazing MJM 53Z. Starting out, we've got four Mercury 400 horsepower Verado engines. That's going to wide open throttle this boat all the way up to 50 miles an hour. It's got much more to offer than just performance. It's got a lot of luxury, so let's get aboard and let me show you what it's got.
Once aboard, you'll notice the large cockpit area covered by the bimini. Plenty of seating, with two movable chairs for dining or relaxing anywhere. Also, both port and starboard, very large, beautiful access doors.
Stepping inside, same level from the aft deck. The top salon area here is amazing. It's got a nice horseshoe-shaped seating, completely climate controlled, but there's something above average in this vessel. It's got completely sliding both port and starboard full windows. It's got patches for fresh air to come in when you're not using the air conditioning. And the most amazing feature is all three forward-facing, very sturdy, very well-built windows can be push button opened up for free air to come in. Amazing feature on this boat. This boat can be enjoyed in any weather, from hot to cold to just a nice mild temperature day. And I mentioned it before, and I'll mention it again. Lots of storage down here, more storage right here on the port side underneath that lounger, and just a nice open air area with nice quality Stid Helm seats, double here, another single here. Let me show you the Helm area. Stepping forward to the beautiful Helm, you got dual Raymarine, GPS and/or depth finder and/or navigation. Switch them out to whatever you want. They're a very universal machine. Individual Raymarine depth finder right in the center there, very easy to read. The auto anchor counter and operation system there for your anchor. That's next level. Not many boats will have that. Your bow and stern thruster is there to aid and assist with the joystick that you already have for the quad 400 horsepower Mercuries. Obviously, it's got skyhook on this boat. That's going to keep it in position while waiting for a dock or bridge. You got a nice remote for the spotlight, windshield wiper controls. This boat's got a seakeeper, gyro stabilization. Very big boat as it is, but you add that seakeeper and it's really stable. Mercury gauges, easy to see. You got a Humphrey gauge right here. Part of that gauge does many things. One of it's tell you your wheel indicator, where you're steering, so you can look here and not have to look back at your motors. Digital throttle shift from Mercury, start buttons, VHF radial handle, and a nice Stid seat staring right at a beautiful wood steering wheel. Just a few steps down into the cabin, starts out with a port side galley, everything you need from stove to drawer style fridge and freezer, lots of cabinetry, beautiful woodwork, satin on the walls, high gloss on the floor. Let's move forward into the two staterooms. Moving forward to the bow of the boat, this is considered the master ensuite. It's got its own private head and shower. Beautiful area. Look at the woodwork. Nice satin finish. Nice storage everywhere too, with good natural light coming in. On the starboard side, just adjacent to the galley, is the guest stateroom. You notice it's got a nice double bed, natural light coming in from both above and opening port light and also opening hatch for free air on a nice day. Nice little reading chair. Both the master and the guest stateroom have their own individual reading chair, so it's a nice area to relax in your own stateroom. Stepping on the bow of this MJM is huge. You can see where a lot of that 53, actually 56 LOA is coming from. All this area can be used for anything. If you want to lay out, if you want to put paddle boards, kayaks, whatever. This is a beautiful area for that. And you can see how beautiful the hardtop is. It's got track vision 3. It's got big horns. There's those windshields I talked about. Nice sure grip and nice traversing all the way around for tying up to any dock with huge cleats in many areas. Thank you for taking the time today to walk through this beautiful MJM 53Z. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see it in person, contact me, Sean O'Haron, MarineMax, Palm Beach.